Hi everyone, welcome to my channel once again. This is a detailed tutorial on how to start a box braid for beginners. Yes, these are the items you'll be needing: your hair extension, a clip and a crochet pin. You will also need some rubber bands. To start off, you'll have to section the hair according to the size of braids you want to make. I will advise you use a braiding gel to slay down the flyaway hair. It will also help you make a clean pattern. Once you're done parting, you're going to secure the roots of the hair with rubber band. Ensure you make a good grip of the hair with the rubber band. Before every braid, you have to make sure you comb out the braiding extension to detangle them. Also moisturize your hand, it helps reduce friction during braiding. In cutting out hair extension for this braid, you are going to cut a bigger size and a smaller size in such a way that when you fold the smaller size, it will be equal to half of the big size. Next, you will crochet the smaller size of the hair extension into the hair just beneath the rubber band using a crochet pin. When that is done, pull the hair to tighten the rubber band. For this method, if the natural hair is small, you can use the hair extension to wrap it up to cover it. But in this case, the natural hair is bigger than the hair extension that we first crochet. So we are going to divide the hair into three as shown in the video. Afterwards, you're going to get the big extension and wrap it over the root of the hair as demonstrated in the video. Another thing you'll have to bear in mind while braiding with a colored hair extension is to cover the natural hair with the hair extension. Before you braid, you make sure you cover the natural hair with the hair extension as shown in this video. Don't worry, as a beginner it might be slow, but gradually you will be perfect. I'm also taking my time to show you how it is being done, and I will be as slow as possible. If you have watched to this extent, it means you enjoy this video. Do well to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that when we upload a video like this, you will get notified on time. Also, do well to like this video, comment on it and share it to your loved ones. With this, you have also contributed to our growth, and it's also a way you can support us. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any hairstyle in mind that you would want us to teach how to make, do well to put that down on the comment section and I will get it sorted. Now we are done, and you see how neat and covered our braid is. So this is how your braid should look when you braid with colored hair extension.